Hi, I'm Kara. I'm a mom to an active and curious kiddo, and just like you, we're stuck at home trying to stay safe from this virus. In this highlights video, we're going to show you some activities that you can do from home to help keep your kids engaged in learning and having a lot of fun along the way. First up, we're gonna make a blueberry smoothie that is so delicious. Then we're gonna discover all the different things that you can do with the box. And finally, it's time to get active with a little action rhyme. Today, we're gonna make a juicy blueberry smoothie. First, we're gonna squeeze the oranges. That orange is the same color as our shirts. Now we're gonna pour in white grape juice. And now 1 cup of water. Now a pint of blueberries.
Pint of blueberries?
Yes, put them in there. Pop, pop. And now a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, let's blend it. Okay, you want to try it first? Delicious! And now, grab a box and let your imagination run wild. Boxes are fun!
I'm in a car! I'm in an airplane! There's a rocket ship!
Now you're a snail! Now you're a turtle! We're in a choo-choo train! Chugga chugga choo-choo! How many things can we do with the box?
I love boxes!
1, 2, 3, jump! And finally, let's get active. Here's an action rhyme.
I waggle my hands. Waggle, waggle, waggle. I stomp my feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I nod my head. Nod, nod, nod. I make a little squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. I waggle my hands and stomp my feet and nod my head and make a little squeak. Now isn't that funny? I'm dancing like a bunny.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.